So this NORA is giving out 22,500 to everybody again. So those that claimed the previous giveaway of NORA, congratulations. Now 20 people are about 25 people are going to be earning $200 each, while 50 persons are going to be earning $150 each, and 100 persons are going to be earning $100 each. So what this video provides is step-to-step procedure. First of all, what you're going to do is to connect your MetaMask into this airdrop. So to get the link of this airdrop, you're going to see it right there on our Telegram group. So what you're going to do is to connect your MetaMask right here where you're going to receive your token. Now secondary is to follow the NORA on Twitter so that you can be able to stay updated with all the NORA news and also the announcements that are going to push in right here. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to this our YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now. You can go to the comment section and tell us what you think about this video. There are other airdrop videos that are going to be paying out in this month of August and also in the next month. So what you're going to do is to participate in the previous airdrop that you'll have right here and also stay tuned. So once you have followed the NORA on Twitter, what you're going to do next is to post a tweet with your unique referral code so that people can be able to see that you are participating in this NORA, and with your referral link you are going to stand a chance of standing out either for those that are going to earn 200 USD or those that are going to earn 150 or 100. So the more you refer this token, the more you earn big. So what you're going to do is to carry your link right there and post on Twitter. Now the third phase is for you to submit your email. So what is you submit your email where you're going to be receiving the notification about the day that this airdrop will be distributing, and also the news and updates, including the reward that you have received for you to withdraw with your MetaMask. So the last section of it is for you to download the NORA Messenger application and run it to complete the to complete this quest. So once you have done downloading this NORA application, your quest is already completed and you are standing a good chance of being one of the earners of this airdrop. Don't forget, this is above $22,500 distribution. So the first winners, which is about 25 people, are going to earn 200 USD. This is depending on how many people joined through your referral link. The 50 winners are going to be earning 150 USD, and about 100 persons are going to be earning $100 each. Now this is each into your MetaMask wallet. So stay tuned, stay updated. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram to get more updates on cryptocurrency and Web3 technology. See you guys in our next video.